Guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you have loosened your motivation towards learning English language, when you started learning this language, you would definitely have a very high motivation towards this language for spoken English. But now you have loosened your motivation, and now you are unable to speak. You are unable to get ahead for learning this language. You are unable to do everything which you were focused when you started learning this language. So watch this video till the end. I will be telling how can you have motivation all the times, and how can and why motivation is important. I'm going to tell in this video. Guys, motivation is really important, because without motivation you will not be able to keep on your journey. You will not be able to move on every day. If you have motivation towards something, you will definitely be able to do everything. It doesn't matter which is tough or easy. If you have motivation, you can do every tough things in a very enjoyable manner. That can be a challenge, but if you have motivation, you can do everything. So for motivation, how do you have little bit motivation every day? You need some kind of motivation. So watch this video till the end. Guys, I'm going to tell how can you have a motivation every day. Guys, you can have a motivation only then if you are having something big. If you want to achieve something big, English is not a big thing to achieve. You should definitely have a big goal to achieve. Like I have a different goal, that is IAS. I have to become an IAS officer. So for this, I just had very high motivation to learn English language, because I have to become an IAS officer. So this is going to be a really essential language for me to learn. So only because of this I started learning English, and I have been improving this language since a year. So only because of that goal that I have to achieve in my future, for that I am struggling. Only because of this reason I just started learning this language, and I have become fluent. But I have to improve a lot now too, and I am improving, becoming an IAS officer. English should be very well, I think, but English is not really essential, but I think it is really essential for me, because there are lots of content available only in English language, for which if we have to study that, we will have to learn this language. We should definitely be able to understand in a very well manner if we have to study that particular book which is available only in English language. Like G.C. Leong is a geography book which is available only in English language, and environment के लिए एक शंकर IAS book आती है which is available only in English language. If I would not have been improved my English language, I would not be able to understand that book. So this is what I started learning this language, that I had that confidence, that imagination, that after some days it is going to be a lot more essential for me to learn this language, for me to become an IAS officer. If I have to become an IAS officer, I definitely need to improve this language. So I just started making the excuse that I have nothing. I am unable to join any coaching classes. I am unable to join any spoken English classes. I don't have the environment. So these are just fucking questions, guys. I will definitely say these are fucking questions if you are going to make. Because if I would have been making these kinds of stupid questions, these kinds of stupid excuses if I would have been making in my whole journey, I will not be able to I would not be able to learn this language, guys. This is a reality, but I did not make any excuses towards learning this language, because I had to be fluent in this language, because for becoming which I have to become in my career, this is going to be a very essential language for me. So like this, you just have to think about yourself. What do you have to become in future? If English is going to be a really essential language for you to learn, so just start learning now. If you have thought that I'm going to become that, this, that, so this is going to be motivated in whole English journey. If you have some kind of motivation towards your future, what you are going to achieve, if you have set the target in which English language is going to be compulsory to learn, to have some kind of knowledge about it, it is going to be really essential for you to speak English. Otherwise you cannot pursue that career, otherwise you cannot achieve your goal. So if you have some kind of fear towards your career, towards your goal, only because of this language, you will definitely be learning this language, you will definitely be improving. If you have some kind of fear, so this is what I wanted to talk about. If you have a fear towards something, you are going to break that fear. You are going to break that fear, guys. For breaking that fear, you need a big motivation, you need big goal towards your future, so that you can break down these fears, so that you can achieve these little targets, guys. So this is what I have to tell you, guys. Make a big goal in your life, so that you can think that this is a very small goal. Like learning English language was a very a small goal for me, because I already have made a big goal. So in front of that goal, everything seems very small. Every sacrifices are very small for me towards my goal. So this is what you have to do. If you are able to do it, you will definitely think that this is not a very big deal to learn English language, because I have a very big goal. For achieving that, I will have to struggle a lot. If I am not able to struggle only for learning this language, so I will not be able to achieve that goal. So this feeling, if you have this feeling in your mind, if you have the fear about your actual goal, you are going to achieve everything. You are ready to start everything. You are ready to face every kinds of fun, everything which is coming, or every hurdle which is coming in front of you. Will be able to resolve that hurdle. You will be able to solve that. It really works, guys. You have to have some kind of a very big goal in your mind. If you are if you are a high school guy or intermediate, if you are in graduation, so just set the goal that what do you want actually in your career, what do you want to do in your life. If you have set, firstly you have to set. If you have set, so then think about that. Is English language going to be important for me to learn? If it is not going, so then learn or not, it doesn't matter for you. But English is really essential now. I think it is a compulsory language to learn. You should definitely learn. It doesn't matter that you are going to achieve something big in your career. English language is not related to your goal, but कहीं ना कहीं से somewhere it is going to be essential language in every career, because English language makes good expression. You can in Hindi language, if I'm going to speak in front of anyone, I will not be able to speak very well, but in English I will be able to speak, because there is no one who can speak like me. So I will have that confidence कि मैं कैसा भी बोलूँगा, so people will definitely proud of me, because मैं इंग्लिश तो बोल रहा हूँ, at least I am speaking very well English in front of them. अगर मैं वही शब्द हिंदी में बोलूँ तो there will not be anyone who will proud of me. But in English language, if I am making many mistakes, it will not be matter very much, because there is no one who can compete with me. So this is what you should have, these kinds of feeling in your mind, guys. If you have set the main target, if it is English language is related to your target, so definitely learn this language. Start learning now. Don't wait for tomorrow. If you're waiting that if you're procrastinating every day that I will be starting learning this language from tomorrow, so it will never come. You will not be able to learn this language. You will always be procrastinating the things, and procrastination is a big killer. If you are procrastinating the things every day, you are not going to learn this language. Seriously, you will not be able to be fluent. It will take a lot of time, because this is a language needs practice. If you are not practicing every day, it is going to be very tough to complete your learning process. And believe me, guys, if you have practiced a lot, at least for a month, if you have practiced seriously, if you have given lots of time every day for learning this language for a month, you will definitely have some kind of a very high motivation. You will definitely be able to speak well, and you will think that I am able to speak very well, I am able to upgrade myself, I am able to learn a lot, I am able to speak very well. So for this feeling, you definitely have to practice a lot every day, continuously. And guys, this is going to be a lot more easier to learn this language. Okay, and this is going to be very, very helpful for you guys. If it is helpful, then definitely like kar dena and subscribe to my channel, so that I can have some kind of motivation. And guys, say to all your friends who are very close to you, who also wants to improve this language. Guys, have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.